In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Google Admin Console user email. By the end, you'll know how to give a user a new email address in Google Workspace by adding an alternate email, also known as an alias, so messages sent to that address land in the same inbox. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com. Sign in with an account that has the right administrator privileges. You'll land on the admin homepage. From here, look for Directory. If you don't see it right away, open the main menu and you'll find Directory listed among the core sections. Next, choose Users to view all user accounts in your organization. Use the search bar to quickly find the person whose email you want to change. Click the user's name to open their profile page. On the user's profile, scroll until you see Contact Information or the area that mentions alternate or secondary emails. Select Add Alternate Emails. This is the feature that lets you give the user another email address that delivers to the same mailbox. Click Add Secondary Email. In Google Workspace, a secondary email is an alias for the user. A panel titled Alternate Email Addresses or Email Alias will open. In the field provided, type the new email address you want this user to receive mail at. A few tips here for a smooth setup. Make sure the domain after the AT sign is one your organization has already verified in the admin console. The exact address can't be in use by another user, group, or resource, and avoid addresses that might be reserved for mailing lists or shared inboxes. When you're happy with the address, save your changes. Google will confirm the alias, and you'll see it listed on the user's profile. It can take a few minutes for the change to propagate, but in most cases, email starts working shortly. From this point on, any message sent to the new alias will arrive in the user's existing inbox, just like their primary address. A quick clarification to set expectations. Adding an alternate email does not change how the user signs in. Their username and primary email remain the same. This method is perfect when you need a new address for rebranding, name changes, or role-based communication without disrupting access. If your goal is to fully replace the primary address, that's handled separately by renaming the user. But today we're focusing solely on adding the alternate email. If you see an error that the address is already in use, search your users and groups to find and free it up, or choose a different address. And remember, changes can take up to 24 hours across all services, though email typically updates much faster.